up, guys? It's your girl Coco Beauty, and I am back with another video. Today I'll be showing you guys how I made these bubbly one curls that I try in so many colors, from red, OT27, color number 30. I just love the style so much. But anyway, guys, make sure you subscribe to my channel down below for upcoming videos, and let's just get right into the tutorial. The hair that I'm going to be using today is going to be a Milkyway hair, and it's the bubbly one curls, and of course my dumb cap. I'm going to place the cap on the mannequin head, and I'm going to start sewing that down.
Here we're free, bound only by frozen memories.
Once I start heading towards the middle part, I'm just going to start sewing the hair in circle, guys. Yes, I'm just gonna sew that all the way up. Yeah, guys, I really don't know why I say yes every time, yeah, whatever, every time when I'm talking. It's just a habit. Just bear with me, you know. Since the hair didn't come with a closure piece, I'm gonna try to make my own by simply grabbing a little piece of hair, applying some glue to it, and then it's going to look like that. When I start rolling the hair like little by little, it's gonna look like that. And I'm gonna grab my flat iron and just make sure that hair lays really flat. Then I'm gonna apply that. The next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead and grab my Cantu Natural Web Curling Mousse. The name is so long, guys, but anyways, I'm going to go ahead and apply that on the hair, and just kind of play with the hair, try to get it to the shape that I want. I want a little side part into this, so I'm just gonna keep playing with it, try to get it right. Then I'm gonna grab my Cantu hairspray, and I'm gonna spray that down. The wig comb that I'm using today is this one. Then I'm going to go ahead and grab my Eco Styling Gel, make sure my edges are laying flat. And then I'm going to go ahead and grab my wig. Once I place the wig on my head, I want this particular hairstyle to be like on the side, like a little side part to it. But you can also place the wig however you want and make your own little style. You can just kind of like play with it. But yeah, anyway, guys, thank you for watching. I will make sure I leave all the info in the comment section below. And make sure you guys subscribe to my channel for upcoming videos. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Thank you, guys.